we share it. We share this peace prize. We share the cause. And if we share the cause and both countries go together and they work for it, we will achieve our dream that one day, all over the world, but especially in Pakistan, in India, in Afghanistan, every girl, every boy will be in school and there will be peace.
Thank you. Thank you for letting me fly. Has it been difficult
Last question first.
My question is, how does education, how does it matter and how important is it in society overall?
I think it's very simple. Education is very much important, and I think my question is why is it not important? It's very much important. It's like we say that food is important for health, water is important to survive. So for a society and for a nation who thinks that they should be healthy, they should be prosperous, there should be tolerance, there should be love, respect for each other, education is, all these good values could be based, our development could be based on education. So it is the base of everything. And beyond that, I think most of the world is, they agree that education is important. I think there are hardly few people who don't believe in it. But how to achieve the goal, that's important.
One second.
I just want to say that, do you feel that young girls around the world has been inspired by Malala?
I think you may know, so for Ayn, really, she has impressed many people. We received daily many good wish cards and congratulations, and we receive it from 4 or 5 years old children up to very old people, 8 years old people, and they express their inspiration. So also in Pakistan, we have seen that many girls have been named after her and institutions have been named after her. So it's a big change. But when a father names her daughter after Malala, it doesn't mean that he is voting education. He is he loves education. So that's why, because Malala is not an individual, she stands for a cause, and when somebody names his daughter after her, so it means that they are supporting that cause. So I think that she has a very big impact all over the world, because we receive appreciation cards, good wish cards from all over the world, right from China to Australia, from Africa to India and Pakistan and Afghanistan, from everywhere.
She has obviously made a massive difference around the world. So do you have any advice for people who want to make a difference around the world, young people?
Yes, I think every child, boy, every man, every woman, we should believe in ourselves. First, we should know that whether what we are doing, whether it's true, it's right or not. Once you are sure that what you are doing it's right, and your path is the path of righteousness, then you stand. And when you stand, ultimately, in the beginning, you may feel that it's unsuccessful. People are not supporting me. It will not happen. But it happens if you are sincere to your cause. So my advice to everybody is that don't lose heart. And if you are standing for a grand cause, for a great cause, ultimately you will win. Thank you.
Thank you.